Again, I am going to run the script. Hello friends and welcome. As you can see friends, hello friends and welcome. So we have successfully created our speech recognition engine on our Raspberry Pi 4. Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and in this session what we are going to learn. In this session we are going to create a Raspberry Pi 4 as a speech recognizer. Okay, basically we are going to create our own AI assistant, AI voice assistant. Okay, for that we have created our speak engine, means we have created our text to speech engine with the help of Python GTTS module. And in this session we are going to create the speech to text recognizer with the help of Google. Okay, so for that of course we need here a Raspberry Pi. Okay, this is what the Raspberry Pi 4 GB RAM, and we need here a USB mic. Okay, so this is what my USB mic. Okay, it's available on the Amazon. Okay, as you can see, this is what the USB mic. Then for connecting this mic I'm going to use here this USB extension. Okay, I'm going to connect this USB mic like this way. Okay, so friends, as you can see here, I have connected this USB mic with the extension like this way, as you can see. And then this USB connector I'm going to connect with a Raspberry Pi 4 USB connector. Okay, and this is what the hardware setup. We need Raspberry Pi 4, USB microphone and USB extension. Okay, now I have already made the video how to install Raspbian OS on Raspberry Pi 4. So I have here a latest Raspbian OS already installed on my card, and now I am going to insert the card inside our Raspberry Pi 4, and then we are going to move on our Raspbian desktop, and we are going to create our speech recognition AI assistant. Okay, so now we are going to move on our Raspbian desktop. So let's start. So friends, we are now on our Raspbian desktop, Raspberry Pi 4. Okay, if you don't know how to install Raspbian OS, the latest version on Raspberry Pi 4, watch that video. I have already made the video how to install Raspbian OS on Raspberry Pi 4. Now I have installed it and we are ready. We are going to install our first package for creating our own AI speech recognition engine. Okay, so simply install the sudo apt install FLAC, FLAC. Just install our first package, FLAC. I will mention the package. Okay, so no worry about the commands, just copy and paste inside your terminal. That's it friends. So I have already installed the FLAC. Now we need here a Pi audio. So simply install sudo apt install python 3 hyphen Pi audio. That's it. It will install Pi audio on our Raspberry Pi 4. Sudo apt install python 3 hyphen Pi audio. Okay, now our main package is speech recognition. We are going to install the package speech recognition using our pip3 command. So sudo pip3 install speech recognition. Sudo pip3 install speech recognition. That's it. Just install the hit the enter and install the package. Okay, it will install it. I have already installed our speech recognition package. Okay, as I told you, no worry about the commands. I am going to mention the command inside my description box. Simply copy and paste inside your terminal. Now we are ready. I am going to use here Thonny as a Python editor. Again, you can use any editor because I have already made the video how to install Visual Code, how to install PyCharm on Raspberry Pi 4. Okay, I am going to use Thonny because I am comfortable with Thonny. Okay, also I am comfortable with Visual Code, but I am going to use a Thonny editor. Okay, so simply we are going to create here our file. As you can see, by default the one file is already there. Simply we are going to save the file because I want to give the name. So I'm going to give the name for file ai.py. This is what the file name. Okay, ai.py. Simply click on OK. Now we are ready. We have all done with basic setup. Now we are going to importing our first speech recognition module. So let's import it. Import speech underscore recognition as SR. Import speech recognition as SR. Then we are going to use A as a variable. So friends, A is equal to, what we are going to do, A is equal to SR dot recognizer. Okay, so recognizer, A is equal to SR dot recognizer, like this way. Then we are going to use here our microphone as a source. Okay, so with SR dot microphone, with SR dot microphone, like this way, we are going to use our microphone as a source. So simply mention that as source. That's it. With SR dot microphone as source. Now I just want to know the user to say something. For that we are going to simply print a text, say something. Okay, so say something, print say something. Then now we are going to use here audio as a variable, and audio is basically what? Audio is basically our A, because A is our recognizer. So recognizer. Okay, so we are going to use the A variable for listening. So A dot listen, like this way. We want to listen from our microphone, so we are going to use here a source. Source is our microphone. Okay, so audio is equal to A dot listen and source is our microphone. That's it. Now we have our speech inside our audio, so we are going to convert that speech into text using our Google recognizer. So data is equal to A dot recognize underscore Google. Okay, and inside that bracket we are going to mention this audio variable. Why? Because this audio has our speech. Okay, so we are going to convert this speech using our A dot recognize Google into text. Okay, now we have our data, so we are going to print the data. Okay, save the file and run the code. As you can see, it say here, say something, hello hello hello. As you can see friends, what I have speak, as you can see, it's here say something hello hello hello. Again I am going to run the script. Hello friends and welcome. As you can see friends, hello friends and welcome. So we have successfully created our speech recognition engine on our Raspberry Pi 4. Okay friends, I hope you will learn something from this video. We'll meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.